Hey everyone, how's it going? So first of all, thanks a lot for joining this live stream. As you all know, we are here for all guilds inclusive call. Yes, you heard it right. So before a few days, we started with Eddie Hub guild call, coffee time call, meal calls, and all such stuffs. Then yesterday, we end up getting a call with Equicode community. That is one of the most amazing community I have, saw in this local hackday guild, local hackday build. And today we are here for an inclusive call where we will be meeting folks from different guilds, be it Eddie Hub, Developer Student Community, Equicode, and lots many other. So yes, I'm pretty excited for the same, and I'm sure you all might also be excited. And we'll be starting that in 2 minutes. Like we'll be starting that call at 9 sharp. So I'll be entering the Google Meet at that moment of time. But before we move ahead, let me just quickly share one thing with you. Alright, so yes, now you can see my Chrome screen at the moment, and as you all know, this is the last day, that is January 17th, with respect to local hack day build. So there were already different challenges for the weekend. I hope you all might have made it through that. So MLH has provided us with n number of challenges for the weekend, and there are lots and lots many other challenges for the week long category as well. And yes, I hope that you might have enjoyed learning new things, building new stuffs, and sharing the same with the community. And yes, this was the schedule, and this is for today. Basically, currently it's like the Save the Blahaj is going on the twitch.twitch/MLH, and also at 10:30 p.m. tonight we'll be having leaderboard update. So let's see what leaderboard holds within itself. Currently the leaderboard is like this. Eddie Hub is on the rank 1 with 7,709 points. Second is DSC, that is Developer Student Community. It's 6653. So Eddie Hub has taken a lead of more than 100 points, which is really great to know. We started behind. On the very first day we were on second rank, and around on third day we took the lead. So that was thing. And yes, these are the top 30 hackers. You can also find me over here on 27th rank. I'm so happy for that because I've never expected this. I'll be in the top 30, and I'm pretty happy for that. And there are many from guild Eddie Hub. I can see Dhriti over here. I can see Ankush Singh Gandhi, I can see Neha, I can see Sri Karan, there are Adam. So many of them are from Eddie Hub community. So that's quite that's great to know. So yes, today we are here for the guild call, and I guess the time is almost there. So what I'll do is I'll quickly join the meet so that I can see other hackers, other guild members joining in. So without wasting much time, I'll just go on mute as of now from the meet, and I'll be then joining it. So yep, let me just click on the ask to join button, and I'll be waiting for someone else to join me or admit me in. And yes, I'm waiting. I'm pretty excited for watching or meeting new folks today, because I don't know who all people are joining us. Let's unfold the sleeves now. I'm still waiting. Someone should admit me. I'm curious to know. Okay, awesome. So I'm added. Let me just unmute myself once.
We're at 22. That's good. Let's see if we can beat yesterday. I think it was 32. Hey, Siddharth.
So hi everyone. For all those people who were watching me previously, have you noticed something new?
Yeah, you're on your video.
Awesome. Yeah, Karthik, absolutely. So I realized while I was testing the live, I realized that I do have a webcam pre-installed in my laptop, and I don't know how I forgot that, but yeah, now I'm using my webcam for the meet and the other camera for live streaming. So yeah, hello everyone, how are you all? I can see many new folks joining in today, isn't it, Eddie? Awesome.
Sorry, I'm muted. Yeah, loads of new folks. It's awesome. It's really great, and lots of familiar faces as well, and names I recognize from socials. So really excited to geeking out everybody.
Absolutely.
And I can see Kushi still smiling and laughing as always, and it makes me very happy when I can see people grinning and laughing. It's always really good.
Yeah, that's true. So I'll just tell the drill. So for all the folks joining in from the live stream, that is from YouTube, feel free to introduce yourself in the live chat. I'll be looking around to it and will be giving you a shout out. Please introduce yourself. And yes, for all the folks joining in the meet, that the drill is that we will start with introduction. Basically, we will start with someone new who hasn't joined the call previously, and then we will be starting with your introduction. Where are you joining us from which guild you are, and what was your overall experience with local hack day build? Because yeah, today is day 7. We all are feeling that these days should not go because we have had a lot of fun, a lot of learnings, and we had such a great time during this past 1 week. So yeah, of course, everything which starts has to come to an end, and many more to come. And in hope of that, let's enjoy this day with the community, with other guild members. Just introduce yourself one by one, and yes, as we are doing every day, we'll be nominating one by one. So whosoever starts first will be nominating someone else, so that that person can begin with their introduction, right? So that everyone can be highlighted and no one misses out. And if in case anyone's mic or video problem is there, not at all to worry. Just feel free to introduce yourself in the live chat. We all are here to help you, and don't feel shy. Be confident. It's not that we are going to judge you. We all are here. We all are your friends. So don't worry about that thing. And I will start today nominating somewhere. First of all, I'll introduce myself, which I did yesterday. I forgot. I realized when I watched my live stream again, which I usually do. So first of all, hey everyone, this is Siddharth Dayalwal. I am currently a third year student pursuing CSE, and I love meeting people, such awesome people like you. I love interacting with them and sharing ideas, helping out them, contributing in the community, hosting different events and all such stuffs. And yes, I'm looking forward to meeting you all folks today. And yes, I'll be introducing, and yes, I am from Eddie Hub Guild. Yeah, I'll be sharing my local hack day build journey later, but yeah, I would like to nominate Karthike. Yes, Karthike.
Hey guys, so my name is Karthike Rawat. I'm a guild leader at Developer Student Community, and my community is created in the COVID time only. Like I seen in my college, there is no community like it, so I thought like I can create it. And first, so my first impression of my community is on local hack day learn, and we won that, and also we have enjoyed many things else in learn too. And at build also, if I build, I'm like love to organizing the events and do some community stuffs and helping others. And you can say my open source journey is from the Eddie only. I've seen for one video of free code camp from Eddie. So I'm really inspired from that, because I have nothing know about anything about open source. Like I tried it, I'd go different YouTube tutorials, but it didn't get so much. But when I got it to with Eddie and connect with Eddie, it's really like a very ease form of like doing open source. And I'm not say I'm like a big open source contributor, but I am a, you can say, an enthusiast in open source contribution, and I am a machine learning enthusiast also, and love to you. And on the basis of build, you can say, I just done some API working, some computer vision stuffs, and something like that. And great to see you all. And I will nominate Vaishnav Nair. I think so, Vaishnav Nair.
Hi everyone. I am a fresher at college, pursuing CSE. This is my first. This is my first hackathon. It was really fun, learning a lot of stuff, new stuff. I guess that's it. I will nominate Raghav Agarwal.
So, hey everyone, I'm Raghav and I'm a sophomore at Amity University, Noida. I'm from Equicode Guild, and like I have been a part of DSC, like LHD Learn, and our guild was at was third in that, and now I am in Equicode, and it is also at third position. So it was really nice meeting you all, and I'm an XI enthusiast and like to learn more and more about that. So I like to nominate Siddharth.
Hi everyone, I am Siddharth, and I am a sophomore from Amity University in Computer Science Engineering, and I'm more into Python and stuff, and I this week has been very like it's been a lot on me because I usually sleep at around 10:30 p.m. But due to this MLH, I sleep around 4:30 a.m. in the morning. So it has been hectic for me. But other than that, I loved the experience. That's it. So I would like to nominate now Shaurya.
Yeah, hello. For some reason, I knew Siddharth would nominate me. So, hi, I'm Shaurya, and from the Guild Code, and I am currently pursuing BTech CSC from second year. So, just something to tell about my experience. Actually, this was my first hackathon, like any event of such kind. And to be honest, I started this week by knowing only a little bit knowledge about C++, and C. But now I can say that I know a little bit of Python, I know a little bit of Java, a little bit of CSS also. So it was a very good experience. So yeah, that's it. And I would like to nominate now Akshat.
Yeah, so hi everyone, I'm from India and I'm part of Equicode Guild. And I think I'll agree to what Siddharth said. Some day it's been 2 hours, 2 days straight that I haven't slept and working out on the build. And so many things to explore, learn, and support each other in this community. Today was a great day. Yesterday's collaboration was the best thing I think of the best event of the MLH build, and I think community is a lot more to explore than to learn. So then I'll nominate Kush Sharma.
Firstly, Himank, your prediction was right. So, yay. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. Firstly, talking about myself, I have been working in the community since a few months now. And this week has been incredible. Like, it can't be less of any adventure. We have had so much of interesting technical and non-technical sessions. We have had so many challenges. We have had so great collaborations like this. And yeah, definitely. Yesterday's collaboration was great. My LinkedIn, my Twitter was buzzing after that. But yeah, it was great. And I'm excited to just have a great meet with you all as well. And I would like to nominate now. Okay, I would like to nominate Himang.
Yeah, I knew this was coming, I guess. Hi everyone. So we met some of you yesterday also, and it was really fun. I saw everyone's posts, and even my LinkedIn was like buzzing the whole day. I am also in Equicode, and it has been very nice. I've also seen like some of the people like yesterday I forgot to mention that I've seen Siddharth in I guess the cup stacking. I guess he was there in the cup stacking event, and it was really nice seeing like familiar faces. Yeah, that's it. I guess I'll nominate Sanyog Jain.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Sanyog Jain. I'm from India. I'm a final year diploma student, or you can call me a first year CS student. I like machine learning. Python is my strength. Basically, since the last 1 year since the lockdown began, I'm just going on Python, day and night. And I'm from the guild Sparklers. It was a lot of fun to be here. I would like to nominate Mansi.
So for all those folks joining in from live stream,
Hey everyone, so I'm a CS
introduce yourself. Feel
from
free
Amity
to.
University, Noida, and I recently became a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador also. So as I yesterday said, this event has been amazing, from learning new things to meeting such amazing people. So yeah, I'm enjoying this event a lot, and I'll miss it. I'll nominate Neha Kopekar.
I guess Neha, you are on mute. If you can just check that once. Or maybe Mansi, you can nominate someone else till the time Neha, checks with her mic.
Yeah, the Limitless Explorer.
Hey everyone, my name is Pratham Krishna, and so this is my very first hackathon, and I'm a first year student. I don't know anything. I just know like a little bit of C programming, bit in Linux, and front end web development. So I think this was a great opportunity for me to learn, though I couldn't take part in most of the events which happened overnight. So I did learn a lot, and this was, as an overall, an amazing experience for me. So I would thank Kushi, Shaurya, and Siddharth for this opportunity. And I would like to nominate Soumya Ranjan.
Hello everyone. I'm Soumya from India, and I'm a part of Code. Yeah, I spoke yesterday, so I'll make it short. So, yeah, Siddharth, yesterday's stream was great. I saw it. Yeah, and yeah, I think the good moment was like when it all started. We were plus talking on Discord behind those usernames, and when we talked with each other on video call, that was a great moment, I think. And I think another thing I learned was that not only learning is fine, we should apply it and share it with other on platforms so that we can be learn and grow with each other. I think that was a great thing I learned through this process, through this LSD. And yeah, I'm very proud of Code, and yeah, very glad to be part of this. Thank you everyone. And yeah, I will just nominate someone. Yeah, Lily Khan. Yeah.
Okay, hi Lily. Okay? She introduced herself in the chat. Would anyone like to, read that out? Maybe Anush, you can.
Sure. So Lily's, I'm reading just Lily's. Hey, I hope everyone is doing good. I'm Lily. I'm a high school student from India. Hi Lily. I'm currently learning front-end development and basic Python for school. I love to do CSS designing. I'm in Eddie's hub. That's great, and I'm so happy to be here.
Thank you, Lily. Thanks, Lily, for joining us. Also, I can see one more introduction in the chat. I'll just read that out for everyone. That's Saket, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. He's saying, "Hey guys, but as you all know, we all are inclusive, so use the words like folks, everyone, or else Eddie bot will remind you that." Eddie, I remember once I'm not sure who said that. I guess Faith said that, but when I was reading out this thing, and he said, "Oh, okay, Eddie bot." I remember that thing. But yeah, never mind. So yeah, I was saying, Saket is saying basically that this side Saket Kumar Gautam. He's a first year student of electrical engineering of BitD, and he's from DSC community, that is developer student community. And yes, thanks a lot Saket for joining in. We are super happy to have you here. And yes, Anush, maybe you can be the next person.
Sure. Thank you. So I'm Anush from Chennai. So I'm the guild leader of the DevScript Winter of Code. So DevScript Winter of Code is an open source hackathon. So when the hackathon was happening, some of our friends said, why not join this event and have some fun? And it has been a really amazing week for us. So it is so sad to see it end. But the community was amazing. They were so interested to learn. So that made me lead both the hackathon and the build at the same time. So all credits to the community.
Who is your nomination?
Avinash.
Everyone, I'm from Bengaluru, India. I see a lot of familiar faces here like Siddharth, Anush and Eddie. It's nice to connect with you all live, and I'm in my final year in UVC Bengaluru in computer science. I'm interested in mainly DevOps and backend stuff. I do that, yeah. I'm from the guild Sparkles, and it's nice to connect with you all. Yeah, I nominate Ayush.
Is Ayush there? If not, maybe Neha can come up because she's available now.
Hello. Hello everyone.
Hi, hi. Okay, where are you? Okay, yeah. Hi.
Due
Still,
to some network connection.
yeah, no worries.
uh,
Like there are a lot of people I need to find. Like where are you? So that's a great thing.
my name is Ayush Tamra, and I am a BTech undergraduate from India. And yes, it's a great thing for me to join in the community and work together because I always wanted to have a developer community type of, and I can't express, but it's very good for me, and so
The excitement is like we can see the excitement on your face completely.
yes. So it's great to be here, and I would like looking forward to contribute more to open source projects and all. So I'm also inspired by Eddie's YouTube channel and some great open source contributors. So I would like to nominate Mrunank if
Yeah,
he has not.
hi. Hi. Thanks for the nomination, Ayush. I am Runank. I am a second year undergraduate from India, and I am a member of AD Hub. So it's been a great week with you all, and joining people and knowing their experiences on this call is very amazing, and great to know the stories behind everyone's hackathon journey till now. So it's a great thing, and everyone's happy with by knowing the experiences of each other. So thank you, Eddie, and everyone in this community. Thanks. I would like to nominate just a minute.
It is getting
Kartikeya
harder and
Rawat.
harder.
Yeah, Kartikeya Rawat.
Kartikeya was the first one to.
I told ya.
Oh, sorry, I joined late, I guess.
No worries. Like there are like
Ankush,
yeah.
Ankush Gandhi.
Yes, Ankush, go ahead. Okay, Ankush introduced himself in the chat. So who can read that out? Anyone?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I would.
Sure, go.
Hey everyone, I am Ankush Singh Gandhi. I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science from Purnima College, Jaipur, India. Hello. Currently, I am working on algorithms. Other than this, I have a YouTube channel, Ankush Singh Gandhi. It has 981 subscribers. That's some good amount. That's all.
So
Good luck.
basically Ankush requires only 19 subscribers to reach the mark of 1K. So we have 35 people in this call. So maybe Ankush, you can share the YouTube channel link in the chats, and we all are happy to subscribe. Basically, I have already subscribed it, so we can consider 34 instead of 35. So, and yes, I remember Neha and Saket are back, so maybe they can introduce themselves first. So Neha, maybe you can go first if you're good to go.
My name is Neha Pupikar. I'm doing my fourth year of engineering in BTech Data Science. And this experience actually helped me a lot in terms of confidence. I had a very less confidence before this experience, in spite of being a karate instructor last year. But yeah, thank you. Yes.
Thanks, Neha. And Saket, you can also come up and introduce yourself.
So hello guys, I'm Saket Margotham. I'm the first year's for SEM student, and I'm taking electrical engineering at BIT Durg, and this is my first hackathon of my life. I firstly met Kartikeya sir. This was some nice guy, and for me and my for future career regarding coding sector, this is my totally interest in this sector because I am the electrical engineering student, but I am doing like this type of coding, and I don't know anything about coding sector. This helped me a lot, DSC community. uh, this is all about me, and I have all and my I am the CEO of and founder of my YouTube channel that is named as ST Smart Thinking. This is JE Mains education channel. I'm the teacher and the mentor of math and physics as well as this is all about me, and my subscriber in YouTube channel is only 72, but this is not at all okay. Thank you guys.
No worries, you'll reach the mark which you deserve. Just keep up the good work. And yes, so Saket, would you like to nominate someone?
Once again.
Yeah, take your time. I know it's difficult.
I would like to nominate SJ.
Hey folks, I am Suraj from Kerala, India. So I am a member of AD Hub community. This is my first ever hackathon, and I am a graduate in physics and computer applications. So I had a great experience throughout the week, and our community were so strong. We always kept our unity and teamwork, and always kept me motivated. And all the members of our community are awesome. I'm following their Twitters as well as YouTube accounts, and Siddharth's YouTube videos are awesome. I got to learn more from that, and yeah, Eddie's YouTube channel is also awesome. So everyone share their YouTube channel so that I can also subscribe to it to gain more knowledge. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks, SJ. And before we move ahead, I would like to give the shout out to all the people in the live chat. I can see Shubham, I can see Prathamesh, I can see Dhruti and Ayushi as well. I don't know because of some reason they might have not be able to join the call, but if you're watching us still, do join the call. You have the Meet link, and we'll be more than happy to have you here. And yes, who else is next? Who else is left?
I'd like to nominate Vaishnav Nair.
Vaishnav, come on.
I already.
Okay, yeah, I remember. Sorry. So, who is left? Just a quick raise of hands in the live in the chat, Meet chat. Anyone left? Casey is left. Casey, come up.
Yeah, hello. Yeah,
Hi, Vilsi.
I'm Vilsi from Jaipur 3rd. Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, I'm Vilsi from, I am pursuing BTech currently in JCRC College, Jaipur, in Computer Science branch. And I have attended the many hackathons, but I think this hackathon was something amazing, which I learned a lot from MLH and learned a lot from LocalHackDay. And I am an interested person in ML and Flutter. Thanks everyone to be connected. Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing. And I can see Subal is left. Subal, would you like to go next?
Yes. Hey everyone. Like we had connected yesterday also in the collaboration between Equicode and Eliab. So I'm from Equicode. I'm currently pursuing computer science first year in Nepal, and I'm a Android app development enthusiast. I've been learning through native language, that is Java. So I recently became Microsoft Launch Student Ambassador as well. And talking about LocalHackDay build, it was really amazing, and we are just started, and this is the last day already. Looking forward to contribute with you all in future as well. Thank you. I would like to nominate Gautam Jain.
Hello everyone. So
It's great to see you all again as we all met yesterday. So it was a great collab between Equigod and Eddie. So yeah, just a quick intro. Like I am a second year BTech student. I'm pursuing BTech from Amity University, and I really like playing with graphics and things. I like illustrations, XG, and currently I'm like doing UI and UX design. So yeah, and I would like to nominate.
If you need help, you can check the chats.
Yeah.
So the people I can see left are Nitesh, Ishan, Rashmi, Utkarsh, Vyom.
So anyone can come up and can give their intro.
Don't do that. just pick one name.
Oh, there's someone named Dope Code. So
Yeah, I guess
nice.
Shubham, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Dope Code, yeah.
You
Yeah.
correctly recognized Siddharth.
Yeah.
So hey guys, this is Shubham Sharma, aka Dope Code, and yeah, I'm very happy to come back to on this call. A couple of back, I was also on this call, so happy to come back again. So just a quick intro. I'm a fresher at the ECRC University, Jaipur, and I'm a from web dev intern at a startup, which is an Indore-based startup, and it's a ed tech startup, if I say clearly. And currently, as I said, pursuing Bachelor of Computer Application from JCRC University. And apart from it, I also run my own coding community by the name of Dope Code with around 2K plus followers on Instagram. So yeah, that's it.
Alright, so I'll make it easier for Dope Code because he was late, so he might not be sure who else is left. But yes, I can see Nitesh is left, so maybe Nitesh, you can go ahead next.
Hello everyone, this is Sapliyal and I am from Uttarakhand, India, and I am the member of IDGov, and currently I am pursuing my IT. I'm final year undergrad, and I'm intern at Linux World, and looking forward to with you all. I'm looking forward to work with you all, and it was amazing experience of mine the 1 week in the MLH. I got to know about many folks I have worked with, and it was fun really. That's all. Now I will nominate. Let's check the chat first.
Smart.
Who is left? Vyom, Vyom is left, I think.
Yep. YYV.
Yeah, come on, Vyom. YYV.
Why is his profile picture making faces? I'm not sure. Hey Vyom, are you able to hear us? If yes, please come up and we would be more than happy to, know your introduction. Though we already know you, but still for the folks joining us new today. Alright, no worries, I can understand. And meanwhile, I can, pick someone else and then maybe later you can come up. So who else is left? There are a lot of socials in the chat, so I'm like, whom to pick?
I think Rashmi maybe.
Yes, Rashmi is left.
Rashmi Siddharth, I think so.
Hey Rashmi, you are on mute.
Sorry.
No worries.
Hi everyone. Myself Rashmi Siddharth. I'm from India, pursuing CSE, second year college student, undergraduated, and I'm from DSC, Developer Student Community, and it's so great to be a part of that community. What else? I know C++, know some basics about Python, learn HTML5 and CSS. Okay, and it takes so much courage to speak on the video, like it's so courageous now.
Yes, absolutely. And you are the bravest person right here.
Doing really well. Love it.
Thank you so much. And yeah, and this was my second hackathon. Like first of mine was um, Hacktoberfest, from where I haven't got any swags until now, and waiting for this one.
Me as well, Rashmi. I'm also on the same boat, so don't worry. You'll get it soon.
Thank you. And who else is left from my
I guess
side? I think
Ishan and Utkarsh are left, according to me. And if someone else is left, do let us know in the chat.
Ishan, come on. I nominate you.
Hi guys. Hi everyone. So first of all, I am coming from to the calls from like I just missed one call. After that, I am regular in this. But still, I am Ishan Singhal, a management student from India who is learning web dev and Python and sort of stuff. And as we all know that today is the last day, and it's been an exciting journey. Means it's my first event like this, and it's super awesome. Seriously, got good friends, got a lot of mentors, and overall experience is like 10 out of 9, we can say, because I am a little bit lazy. That's why low on points. Neitherly, it's completely fine. Awesome. And for challenges, I am just doing a little bit easy ones, trying to do a okay. I also achieved 2 or 3 big ones, like using GPS and authentication system, but not after that. So that's all my progress right now. And maybe one guy is left, right?
Yes, Utkarsh and Dhriti also joined recently, so I guess they both are left. But yes, Utkarsh can go ahead and then maybe Dhriti.
Yeah, Utkarsh, you can come.
Yeah, hello people. My name is Utkarsh Singh. I am from India, currently pursuing my BTech Information Technology, and I am from Eddie Hub Guild. And it's my first time participating in a hackathon, and I really enjoyed it by learning and facing so many challenges, along with receiving so much support from the guild and the community members, and also I learned so many languages. I get my hands on with so many skills. Also, I even wrote articles. Whatever challenges I solved, I even wrote articles on them. And today, I built the Discord chatbot as a part of today's challenge. And I really enjoyed this, and I really enjoyed the support from the community, and it was very a good learning process, and I hope to participate in further such events. Also, since I have joined the Eddie Jord community, I have gained so much interest in open source contribution, and I think 2020 is going to be the best year for me since it has started well, so I think it would end too well. And thank you so much. Thank you for having me here. Thank you all.
Thanks for sharing. And yes, Dhriti, you are next.
Hello, folks. This is Triti Roy, and currently I'm pursuing my BTech from Motihari College of Engineering, Bihar. And this is actually my second hackathon. First was Hacktoberfest, and I'm enjoying myself. And I think this hackathon, I learned a lot of things from this hackathon, and I'm glad to be a part of Eddie Hub and having this amazing call with you all.
Thanks, Dhriti. And yes, I can see Mehika is left.
Hi everyone, I'm Mihika and I'm from Delhi, India. I'm part of the EquiCode guild, and I'm really grateful that I got such a supportive and helpful guild. And the team members, the hackers, everyone is so fun and supportive. And I just really want to give a shout out to EquiCode here. And this was my first hackathon, and I learned so much. I was so scared that I won't be able to do any coding challenge, but here I am. I completed almost 5-6 coding challenges per day, and it was awesome. So yeah, great to see all of you. And
Yes. Okay, Prathamesh introduced himself in the chat. So anyone? Khushi, maybe you can, read that out.
Yeah, so hey guys, this is Prathamesh Bose, pursuing my bachelor's degree from SITRC Nasik, and this is my second hackathon, and I learned so many languages in this hackathon. Like, I've created my first web development application in Flask, and also have created Clean the Clutter Python file. And thanks to Eddie, because of him, I've updated my GitHub profile, and I have GitHub profile have been merged to awesome GitHub profile repos as well. Thank you all.
Yes, Eddie, I'm still left to submit a pull request for that, but I'll do that soon. And yes, in the live chat I can see Harsh Jain joining us. So Harsh is a part of DSC United Guild, and hi Harsh, if you're watching us still. And yes, your community have been also doing a great stuffs throughout this weekend. So yeah, hats off to you all. And is anyone yet left to be introducing themselves? Anyone? If not, maybe then we can first of all keep one thing in priority, that is a screenshot. Or else Vyom, yes, sorry Vyom.
Yeah, want to go.
Yeah, Vyom, sure.
Hello everyone. So I am YYP or Vyom, you might know me. I loved MLH, and congratulations to all of you for joining in for the hackathon, and everyone who attended. Everyone who attended this for the first time. This was the first hackathon. Just hats off to you. I would love to see you all in other hackathons as well. It was a great experience. Personally, I'm in Eddie Hub Guild, but I would just appreciate how you all have contributed to your guilds as well. It would be. I started doing some web development and did a lot of new stuff during MLH, so that was fun. I'll just drop my socials in chat so we could connect or something. Thank you.
Thank you. Prathamesh, you can go ahead next.
Hey everyone, this is Prathamesh here. I am a third year CA student from Mumbai, and this is my second hackathon. Even though my first hackathon was it was a part where four people were supposed to hack, and I wasn't able to connect with a lot of people. This one is completely different, and this is the first time. I mean, I would have never imagined that I would be on a call with around 30-40 people and talking to them. So this kind of interaction is something that was missing in the previous hackathon that I was a part of. And so I think I'm from Eddie Hub, if Siddharth can acknowledge. So and and it has been great. This experience has been really great, even though I wasn't able to be a part of the challenges a lot because I had my exams going on. I tried to participate as much as I could. Thank you.
Yes, I definitely recognize you, Prathamesh. And yes, I guess no one is left. Raghav Agrawal, I'm not sure if you're left. I'm just confirming because there are also
no,
people joining. Okay. And Ankur, Karan, Sanjeev, are you left or have you introduced yourself? Because now I'm getting confused. There are a lot of people together. Okay, if not, maybe you can turn on your video camera so that we can quickly have a good memorable picture and just capture this moment for the lifetime.
39 people. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot, but everyone else feel free to take screenshots as well. Put your poses in, yeah, your thumbs up, whatever you do. Big smiles and grins I see as well from some people. That's awesome. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, more cameras coming on. Sorry. Perfect. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I want to do another one as well, just in case I blinked. Okay. All right, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Awesome. You all look great with your cameras on. Great to see your big smiles. I didn't hear Karuna say anything today. Karuna was very quiet today. And she's been doing some great drawings I've seen on socials as well. Sorry to call you out and put you on the spot.
I'm basically an artist before becoming a coder, so yeah.
Awesome. And I'm going to make a repost so we can collect all these everyone's drawings and so forth. I think it's just amazing. I see them on socials, but I don't want to lose them.
I want to make one of Siddharth and you, like 2 of you.
Say that again. Sorry, you want to make
Caricature of 2 of you.
anything you want. I'm more than happy. It's always awesome. So anything I can help with, let me know as well. It's great to see everyone's creations.
Yeah, definitely. I'll frame that. I can see this. This is the Eddie hub. Eddie's painting which I made. So I remember it was
Awesome.
it was fun doing that. So I'll
I've
be
been
more
showing
than happy.
everyone.
Yeah.
I've been like sending links everywhere of all your social posts. So, but yeah, I'll create a repo and you can all like, I don't know, have a folder each and drop an image in or something, and then add a link to the README or something. But yeah, we'll do that soon. I don't want to lose all those. They're awesome.
Yeah, definitely.
So we've got like 15 minutes left, right? What are you up to, Siddharth? What do you think? If everyone's gone, we should, hear more from people, I think.
I'm thinking to, just highlight few more best experiences so far. I'm sure everyone had their best experiences, but is there anything you would like to share with respect to local hackday build? Because we all know that there have been like n number of challenges going around. There were daily challenges, weekend challenges, and week-long challenges as well. And there were some fun challenges. At the same time, there were challenges with respect to mini events. Then there were some challenges in which you need to make projects and submit on dev post. And also there were like fun challenges in which you just need to tweet around, make some creative stuffs, and showcase your art skills on the socials and live streaming yourself. And there were n number of such challenges. So I would like to know that which was the best challenges, or which is that one memory that you will remember for lifetime. Would you like to share that with the community so that we can also remember this moment, that yes, that person had this memory as one of their favorite memory. So it can be anything, even the smallest, even the biggest. Please come forward. I would not nominate someone, but I would like if anyone can voluntarily come up, that would be great.
Can I add one more question to that?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, go on. Sorry, D3, I was going to say, if you answer that question, I think it's amazing. I'm really excited to hear it. But also add what you plan to do like this year, like what's your goal for this year? I'd love to hear what people are up to and how I can help.
Yeah, and also how are you going to utilize the experience which you have gained in local hackday build? I am sure you all are not going to stop here, and just keep rocking, keep growing. That's all. And yes, Dhriti, you were saying something.
Hello?
Yep, you're audible.
Okay, so one thing I will miss the most is this glid call thing, because I think this is the best way to connect with people and our community. And this is amazing how we all glids are collaborating with each other, and we can connect with each other and share our experiences. This is something I will miss the most. And to be honest, local hack day has I have many memories. I mean, like the dinosaur chrome challenge, I think that was something that was fun. And that Bob Ross challenge that we had done together, and some of our glad members were also there, so that was memorable. So these were the challenges that was memorable. And I had an amazing experience of on this hackathon, and I'm looking forward for starting my YouTube channel. I'm working on the content right now, and I'm so excited to start. So thank you everyone for sharing your experiences and giving me such a wonderful experience. And this would be my memorable hackathon ever. Thank you.
Yeah, definitely. It is like even my one of the most memorable hackathon. Like it's going to be that one because I remember people do ask me that, hey Siddharth, you have attended different hackathons. What was your best memory and what was your best hackathon you have attended so far? And now I'm going to replace my previous hackathons with this hackathon. And yeah, looking forward to more such stories. Who else? Who else is coming up?
My turn, I think so.
Sorry, go
Okay.
on.
Yeah. Okay. According to me, LSD has a great impact all of us. I think so, because those who are beginners, like I think so, LSD create an impact in everyone's minds. Like we are sometimes beginners, but for those who didn't know anything, we can contribute to like we can collaborate with others, and we can contribute to the community as well. We can help each others, and like I always like you can say it is a like it is not in my, you can say, I can describe in my words, like connecting with different people, with different country, with different cultures. We got to know about very different people with different mindsets, you can say, and we get a different idea of particular solution, you can say. So it's kind of a thing like it's kind of like I will say like every LSD, like every year LSD will happen. But I think so from there, for this year, it is one of my best, because I'm leader also. So that can be a possibility, like I'm organizing the events and doing stuffs. So yeah, that's from my side.
Yes, awesome, Karthike. Thanks for sharing that. Yes, Anush.
Yeah, so I will share my experience. So this is my first year as a guild leader. So I was organizing my first open source hackathon, and then our community members felt like we just want to have some fun at the guild too. So that led to creation of the JavaScript Winter of Code guild, and we had some amazing peeps there, folks over there working to build the community, and we got into the fifth rank. So I personally enjoy the experience a lot, like working through the challenges, like getting on Google Meet calls with the community members and solving each and every challenge. And it was a community event, and it helped us bond even more during the time of the hackathon. So I really think this is an excellent opportunity for students across the world to interact and communicate. And I think this is not ending. We still have Share coming up pretty soon. Then, so I guess I hope to see all of you there. And I think this would be even more better if all of us still can stay in touch and communicate on work on more such projects and events. So yeah, that's from me.
Yes, absolutely. We would be more than happy to continue each and everything which we already experience right now at LSD. And yes, Eddie, I remember you were saying something.
Yeah, I can't remember. I think I was going to say that I think these calls have definitely been one of my favorite things of 2021 so far, and this hackathon, just to meet so many people. I've discovered so many YouTube channels that I haven't discovered. You see people grow in a week, and imagine what you can do in a month. And people starting YouTube channels, and I just can't wait to hear more about it. And if people get stuck on open source or YouTube channels, we can all bounce ideas and share. So yeah, I put it in the chat. I was going to say that I will. I've got an idea that my communities came up with, and was saying we should maybe do these calls more regularly, not just for my community, across communities. So yeah, I will share stuff with the guild leaders, and they can share it out with you, and we can see what we can do. I don't know if it'll be weekly or maybe monthly, but I think it'll be really good. And not everyone can join every time, but it'd be good to have a good chat, and maybe just have like a format similar like today, where it's like, I don't know, almost like a kind of stand-up, like what you've achieved recently and what you're struggling with and what you want to achieve, or something like 3 questions everyone can answer, and other people can respond in the chat with ideas. And yeah, but there's some really good ideas in the chat, and I know I'm going to forget because my memory's terrible. So I think we should I can maybe create a label on a GitHub repo and our support repo, and people can just log the ideas as issues or start discussions on one of our repos. We've got a support repo, and therefore we just don't lose them, so we can keep them, and we can use them. So yeah, I'm loving the ideas, keep them coming, but I'll try and get a link so we can just keep them all in one place.
Yeah, that's
But I'm
so
really
true.
enjoying this.
Yes, even I'm enjoying this a lot because I try to find such opportunities where I get to talk to people, and why would I stop this, and why would I miss such an opportunity where I can meet a number of people at the same time, know about them, what they are up to, and everything like this. And before we move ahead, I would like to give a shout out to Ayushi, who is there in the live chat at the moment. So she's saying that I will always remember completing challenges with my guildmates, and of course that's one of the most memorable thing, of course. And the other thing which she wrote was, I will always remember making Doraemon in MS Paint. So I'm sure this is the one which you might have made in the Bob Ross. And also I can see one more person, Moyen3, if I pronounce that correctly. She said, true, for me every community event is memorable. Of course, definitely. And who else who's up next?
Yeah. So yeah, I'll take the lead over here. And so this 1 week has been so much incredible. It was no less of an adventure. I already mentioned that, but we have seen probably everything. Who could have imagined that we would be sharing a meal together in a hackathon? That was something that was just possible within MLH, LHD build only. And yeah, I'm really excited to be holding something similar in LHD share as well. And so one thing is that Eddie just mentioned what are kind of your resolutions for this year or something like that. So one of my resolution would be definitely to grow and impact a little bit more from Equicode, since it's been 1 month with it and I'm already feeling so much involved with it, so much inclusive with it. So yeah, one of my thing would definitely be to grow it more and to just expand it more within my network as well. Thank you.
Yeah, definitely, Kushi. Thanks for sharing that. And we all are, backing up Equicode at the same time, and we want to see you grow. You have been you and your community have been already doing great stuffs. I've been following you people since this last month. So kudos to every one of your community, everyone who is a part of your community. And who else? We still have few more moments. Yep.
I think one moment we all will miss is buzzing our phones with lots of notifications after guild calls.
Yeah, that can be.
Connecting with people and lots of notifications. I just saw on LinkedIn 480 notifications that he had.
Yeah, it's probably we would miss both the notification before the call and after the call, because before the call we do have notification of YouTube stream, Google Meet that your call is starting in 30 minutes. That or if I have kept
that excitement will miss that excitement.
Yeah, and after the call ends, we get notification from all the socials, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. So yeah. And who else? Please come up.
I want to share my experience. This is my first hackathon, and I don't know what is this, and I don't know about anything that is HTML, CSS, Java, and nothing about coding, and nothing about computer science languages. I only interest in this field because of my I don't know what is this idea about, but I want to I want to take some top which I take from my community, and I represent some I love the websites and researching them, how to use and how to showcase their project and how to represent anything about, and because this is my first hackathon, and I want share most of the people are not come up for their taking a step for this, because
Yeah, no worries, Saket. Take your time. It's totally fine. I remember when I spoke in front of 10 people in front of stage, I remember how hard I was shivering. So it happens with everyone. See, I fumbled around like anything right now. So it happens. It's normal. You know, everyone
So
have, yeah.
happy with everyone.
It happens to us all, don't worry. I think the more practice you do it, the you can hide it a lot better.
Yeah.
But it still happens.
I'm trying that thing every day. You know, I just remembered that day when I just shivered on my stage. So I I'm laughing now. And yes, so who else is next? Maybe Saket needs some time. No worries, take your time. We are still here. And okay, Lael is also joining us from the live chat. Hi, you can also join us in the meet. We are still like, you know, you can take a sip of a water, Saket. Yes, definitely, that helps. My water bottle just got finished, but I'm not able to. But yeah, never mind. And yes, I would like to share my experience now that I remember Eddie once messaged me about, you know, asking something about LocalHackDay build, and before that I was, you know, occupied with some another hackathon, and so I was not thinking to, you know, actually participating and contributing a lot. I was thinking to at least register and, you know, check in for few events, but because I am having exams from 20th onwards, and I was thinking that at least one semester I should study before exam dates and not, you know, a day before exam. So I was planning accordingly, but you never know what comes up ahead, and future is totally unpredictable. And I registered for the first day. I joined the Eddie Hub channel. I saw lots of folks joining over there, having active conversation, and then I was like, you know, exams, please go to hell. I am contributing to the community. I am not getting involved with my studies as of now. I'll do whatever I used to do before. I'll study before night, and that would be the only thing which I can do the best at this situation. So, you know, leaving all those things behind, I started contributing, and since then I have never stopped. I could, you know, I helped in any way possible, be it attending events, getting points for our guild, hosting different events, live streaming right now, and, you know, helping everyone on social. So that was the thing. And the best part was, of course, this call, which I cannot miss. That's why I thought of, you know, why not take this on my channel, so just, you know, anyone can come up anytime and watch this, and, you know, just reimagine all those moments which we have already, you know, experienced. So that's the thing. And I saw everyone, you know, sharing the socials, so I would like to say that my website is there. You can visit siddharth-hacks.live. So that is one of the website which I have made, not purely coded, because I wasn't that much involved in the web development, but yes, I have coded few part of that. So you can visit definitely that website anytime. It's siddharth-hacks.live, and I've, you know, just showcased my hackathon experience so far. You can find all my hackathons previously I've been part of, my appearances, my talks, and all my socials at the end. So, and yes, it's like easy for you to find me online, because it's like Siddharth_hacks, and the hack word I have used because for me the love for hackathon is immense. That's why I've used that word. And yes, I'm really looking forward to more such events, more such hackathons where I can collaborate with such people and, you know, spend such time in which we can have some meaningful conversation, of course. And yes, I can see Lael, you know, writing in the chats that same here. I wasn't thinking of getting involved in challenges this much, but yes, Lael, you were one of the top 30 hackers. We are still waiting for the leaderboard updates, and yes, you have been doing great. So kudos to you. And who else wants to share their experience with respect to LocalHackDay build or anything else?
Yeah, I would like to share some of my memories.
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah. Like here we are meet here in a meeting virtually. So same goes with our guild, developer student community. And at that time, it was my first day when Our group was left behind just because of 6 points, and Eddie's group goes ahead of us, and we become a second group. That hits me so hard. And from next day, I was so prepared that I was so active in Discord, like I was never have been ever. And what else is, that day I was so active in Discord. Even if you will sum up my total time when I was active in Discord, that was, what should I say? I think I am stumbling. And yeah, one of my memory was like when Karthikeya sir nominate me for introducing myself for in every meeting. That was my memory. Thank you, Karthikeya sir.
It's cool to have you with us, community. Yeah.
Awesome.
So anyone else?
Yeah. And we started, a little bit early today. We started at 9 p.m. IST. Usually we do around 9:30, so we can, just check with the leaderboard updates as well. But it's still half an hour left. I know we can talk, we all can talk long. But if anyone have still, anything to share, we would be more than happy to hear that.
I would like to share experience inspired by Siddharth's story.
Mm-hmm.
Like you said, you had exams before and still you participate in the hackathons. So I have my exams from tomorrow. I was really nervous before joining here, but now I'm relaxed. So it was a lot of fun meeting you all, connecting with you all. Thank you, and let's hope to meet again in the future.
For sure. I just got a pop-up message over here that Ankush and 9 others joined onto the call. I was like, wow. Who else is next? I guess, yes, Eddie.
I was going to unmute and say, if people just also want to practice speaking in front of people, then just, tell us about your day-to-day or, what you're planning coming this, challenges coming this year, what your goal is, anything, just, make use of this time. I know we've all a lot of us have got a lot to say, and some of us have probably, less to say because we're a bit nervous, but, yeah, feel free just to practice, and, it becomes easier. I'm mumbling as well now, so I'll shut up, but you get the idea.
Yes, for sure. So, yes, Eddie.
And the next thing I was going to say, if no one's going to jump in, I have another question I was going to ask. So I want to kind of get a time scale of when people's YouTube videos are coming out. So we have Equicode on the 26th, I think. Did I remember that correct? They're coming soon. Someone else's was on the 26th. How's the order going? Dritri, when's yours coming out? Is yours coming out tomorrow? And who else is coming out afterwards? So I can, get rid of Netflix and start watching you all on YouTube geeking out of code and stuff.
So I'll talk about Equicode. So when I said a very big thing is coming up, so we were actually thinking to basically mainstream some of our personal experiences, not in form of kind of it's something kind of a roadmap series, just a sneak peek of what we are doing. And so when the YouTube video comes out, normally it's more like we have to start the promotions from 1 week before that. We have to call out to the community team. The community team has to talk out to the marketing team. Marketing team has to be the bridge between all the teams. So it's kind of hectic, basically, for other people to, just get in all the promotions over there. The posts are timely up or not. So kind of hectic, but at the end, it's the result which pays off, and the process is something that you should enjoy about. So yeah.
Eddie,
looking forward to that. Really excited.
Lyle is, requesting to hop into the meet call. Maybe you can just check with that once.
Nothing's come up yet. Sorry, who's requesting?
Lyle.
Oh, accept me, please. Let me refresh the page, and maybe me got stuck. Okay, let me refresh and see if something pops up.
All right. Yes, Kushi, we are looking forward to more such, your YouTube channel videos, and I'll be the first one to become the chat panelist. So please keep an eye over there. And maybe someday I can, also come up on the stream if you would like.
Yeah, we can definitely do a collab.
Yeah.
Let's do a collab with Siddharth and Eddie. Let's come together.
Yes, we'll be more than happy to come.
Great.
Who is going to tag all of us on Twitter and LinkedIn? Yes, please let us know so that I can reshare and retweet that once again. Sanyog, you got me. But what happens is usually I wrap this all up by 12 midnight, and after that I just open, because I'm not on my mobile phone every day. I'm just on my setup on my desktop. So what happens is when I wrap up everything at midnight, and when I get to bed, I take my phone and I see lots and lots of notification, and then I again come to my desk just to open each and every socials on different tabs, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Then I would retweet, reshare, comment, everything. I'll do that, and then maybe if everything is like cool down, maybe you should also sleep early and let others sleep as well. don't be awake and just post it. I'm just kidding. Post it, go and tag others and make valuable connection. I'm just kidding. Okay. And okay, Eddie's back. Eddie?
Yeah, no more requests are coming in, so I've just asked Layel to refresh her page and to see if I get a request coming in. We've got 31 people. We've got space for 69 more people, so it's okay.
If possible, maybe we can get MLH people in this call.
I'm sure we could. I know Will would love to join. He's always keen to geek out. We're always geeking out about video editing and After Effects and so forth. He got a new computer like a year ago, and he's like, "Oh, great! Adobe Suite runs perfectly." Got a message from him yesterday. It's running so slow. I need a new computer. I'm like, "Come on, what are you doing now differently?" He's probably added loads of layers on his video editing or After Effects or something. I know in one of my recent videos, I did an Eddie bot kind of Eddie Hub explosion coming in.
Yeah, that was
just
epic.
for that For that clip, that was less than 10 seconds. It took 4 hours to render.
Oh god. When I first saw that video, I was like, wow, this is everyone is going to go crazy, and Eddie Hub just comes up crashing everything, that blast and that phone style, everything was super epic. But yeah.
Yeah, I won't be doing that too often. The video usually takes about 5 minutes to render, and this took 4 hours and 5 minutes. So just for this title, it was not worth it.
Yes, I remember when I was making one of the unboxing video previously, I recorded everything. I took around two and a half or 3 hours to render that thing, edit that thing, everything, text and everything. And when I exported it, I realized that audio was missing, and I was like, oh god, where's the audio? Then I was so fed up. Then what I did was I recorded audio separately. I tried to overlap that thing with the video, but it did not match, unfortunately. But that was only one video where I messed up. But I'll make sure first I'll check the audio and then I'll make the video.
Always check, but it happens to all of us. I remember I had one video a few weeks ago. I recorded 4 times, and not because I had made a mistake, but I made a technical mistake, as in one time I forgot to record my screen. No, the first time I forgot to record audio, I had a call, so I muted the recording, and I forgot to unmute, recorded an hour, and then I was like, oh my god, recorded it again, and I think 4 hours passed, and I ended up with a 10-minute video, and I was just like, what? I think I was just so tired and just not with it. So that's why it's really good to get rest. Otherwise, you do make mistakes. And I was really frustrated with that video. I spent half a day on to end up with a 10-minute video because I recorded it so many times. It was
like said, I have also my podcast. I'm doing a podcasting with an entrepreneur on, you can say, how to implement an augmented reality one stuff startup. I've recorded whole video. After I seen there is no audio, I recorded. So I'm like, what the fuck, man? What I'm doing?
Yeah, that's terrible. And yes, we have. Yes, Eddie.
No, I was going to say what you were going to say, so carry on.
Okay, Lael is here. Hi there. Now you are here, and we all are happy.
Hi everyone, how are you doing on this last day?
Don't please repeat that word, last day. I'm gonna cry now.
No, we're not gonna cry. Hopefully, the Eddie community on Discord will be available always for us to always join again and contribute again if there is a hackathon or not.
That's so
exactly
true.
Open source all the time, and I've joined Equicode's Discord as well. And if there's any other Discords I need to join, let me know. But yeah, really keen to keep keeping out with everyone.
Yeah, for sure. Lil, maybe you can, introduce yourself to other guild members, because we do have different members from different guilds joining us today.
Yes, so I first joined Eddie Hub when I saw that he is participating in this hackathon on his YouTube channel. And I was really excited to try to join a hackathon again after leaving college and starting working. I am an Android developer, by the way, and I take part of organizing GDG, Google Developers Group events here in Beirut in Lebanon. So we are always looking to learn more and try to network more, especially now in this pandemic. So I'm very glad I have joined and known you all.
Absolutely, and we are glad to have you in our guild as well at the same time. And with when I joined Eddie Hub, I got to connect a lot of folks, not just from India, but away from India as well. And this is one of the greatest thing which I can remember, apart from guild calls at the same time. And yes, who else? If anyone is yet to share their experience with respect to LocalHackDay build, or want to share their what are their goals in coming up year, so definitely go ahead. For me, I'll be looking around for more opportunities such like this, and I'll try to contribute more to the community at the same time, whether it's with respect to open source, with respect to documentation, or organizing different events. Of course, you'll be able to find some hackathons which I'll be organizing this year. I've already planned them, but yet to be executed, so keep an eye on the socials. I'll announce that soon. And if still anyone is left, please let me know, or else we can keeping a rock on my heart, I would say that we would end this call. I'm waiting. Anyone?
I'd like to say something. Yesterday, we experienced a really good experience with the Discord server of Eddie. I had a problem. We have joined Hack the Northeast hackathon, and I didn't know actually what to do as a project there. We wanted to build a website and contribute to a project that is non-technical at all. And I started with Gatsby, and I didn't know anything about that. So I have asked someone in the help channel on Eddie's Discord server, and everyone was helpful. They did help me find where the data was coming from, how can I change it, how can I learn more, how can I access more tutorials and learn more about that. Everyone was very helpful, and I'm very thankful for this. Today we are submitting. I'm not very proud of the results, but we are submitting anyway because we believe in the cause we are making this project. So, I really would like to know about your projects and what you built for the hackathons.
Yes, so there was one more challenge to attend, the member event challenges, the member event hackathon. So would any one of you like to share the projects which you have made over the weekend in that hackathon? Anyone? I'm waiting. Okay, no worries. Like if there are not, that's also fine. And if you won't like to share, that's also fine. But we will be looking forward for your projects. You can always join the Eddie Hub community. Eddie has already shared the link in the chat. Just click on that. Join us on the GitHub. There's Discord link as well. So join us over there, and there are like lots and lots of engagement happening. There are different channels, first timers, for all those who are starting with open source. You can find some different issues where you can contribute, and lot of many contributions can happen just by interacting with other people in the Discord server. So that can be a great opportunity for everyone else at the same time, right? And if no one else wants to say something, so I would like to end this over here. Eddie, would you like to give some final words on the same? Or maybe Kushi or maybe Karthikeyan. Yes, Eddie.
Yeah, I can go first. Just want to say again, thanks everyone. This has been super inspiring, and just loving seeing you all collaborate together has been amazing. I didn't participate in hackathons, so I can't really take any credit for our score, not even probably 1 point. But all the guilds have done really well, and it's just so mind-blowing that all the guilds are geeking out together and how well it's gone and how you've all collaborated so well together. I love that. It's really, really amazing start to 2021. So thank you all so much, and looking forward to geeking out with you all or more very soon.
For sure. Kushi, any final notes on behalf of Equicode?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you so much for collaborating with us. Even if it's about yesterday, even if it's about today, both the calls have been so much amazing, and hearing so much about other people's stories just makes us grow every time and just makes it feel like so much welcome. And yeah, thank you so much everyone for even coming in, and looking forward to just have more of these kind of calls and just meet you everyone. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks Kushi. And Karthikeyan, anything from your side?
I would say just one thing: just help the beginners who are just new to community. Help them, and rest I will say, like from my community side too, like just collaborate. Each and every community, it is small or big, just collaborate and help others. And yeah, recently we are starting to you can say a 6-month CP structure, you can say, where we are just focusing on the competitive programming stuffs, and those who are new to you can say data section algorithm, they can join us too. Thank you.
Awesome. This is the power of community. Lots and lots of opportunities every day you can find. So yeah, thanks once again Eddie, Kushi and Karthikeyan for sharing those final notes. And with that, we can wave a goodbye, not actual goodbye, just a goodbye for this call, and we will see everyone in the Discord. So see you all, take care, and good luck for the coming up leaderboard and closing ceremony tomorrow. Do not forget that.
Bye everyone.
Bye bye.
Thanks, Phil. Bye.
Actually, before leaving, I want to ask a question to Eddie. Can I ask a question to Eddie?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I guess Eddie just left.
Oh, okay. Okay then.
No worries, Vaishnav. You can definitely connect with him on Discord. He's always happy to reach out to folks who are reaching out to him. So make sure you join the Discord server, right?
Sure. Bye.
Awesome.
Yeah. Bye guys, everyone. Meet you soon. Bye, Sid.
Bye bye.
Bye, Sid.
Awesome. So that was the final call, I would say, for LocalHackDay build only. We will, also be meeting after this event for sure. That's not the reason. And let me just bring up on this thing first. And yes, as I was saying, this was the final call for LocalHackDay build, You might have observed that there were people from different community, different guilds joining us, and they have all been super awesome, and they have shared their experiences, their journey, their goals for 2021, and it was like super amazing to hear them out. And there were many people who were new to hackathons, and for all those who are watching, do not forget that hackathons are such a place where you can kickstart your journey with programming, with open source. You will be a part of such an environment where you will experience such things which you have never done before. There are a lot of people coming up, you can interact with them, have meaningful conversation, make valuable connections, and learn new things, build projects, share your views, share your ideas with the community. There are lots of sponsor representatives coming in, you can talk to them and know more about the company sponsoring the hackathons. Also, there are different mentors with whom you can connect. So there are a lot of things happening at a hackathon. Just be a part and experience what hackathon is all about, and I would say you will never regret being a part of any hackathon. And yes, this is the time for me to take a leave, and I would say, with that being said, let me just quickly bring the final thing, which I always say. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you had a great time with us, and looking forward to more such videos. Stay tuned with my channel. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Just share it with your community, and do not forget to find me online on my above mentioned user ID, that is Siddharth_hacks. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter. And yes, I'll take a leave. Take care everyone, see you in the next video.